sick, so you're gonna hear me like super weird in the video, but I hope you like it. Hey Cyber Newbies, this is Cyber Noob here, and today I bring you war games. So war games are pretty cool challenges that you can use to exploit or defend vulnerabilities. I use it as a great way to practice how to navigate the command line in Kali Linux, as well as CTF, which is to capture the flag, which is more of a competition between cybersecurity professionals or students, and you get to enhance your skills. But with that one, you can learn cryptography, you can learn forensics, you can learn the network. I mean, there is so many things you can learn with war games and capture the flag. So 3 months ago, I went on a business trip to Tampa, and I was bored. So I didn't know what to do, and I started looking at events around the area, and I found a capture the flag event for beginners. So I decided to join in. I went in. I never had done capture the flag before in my life, but I tried the best I could. There were 14 levels, but out of the 14 levels, I only did 4. And for me, those 4, I felt like I won the Oscars. I was so excited because I never done something like that. I mean, that was major hacking. I didn't know how to do that. So just getting through level 4 gave me like a boost of, hey, I could do this. I could really try this. So when I went back home, I started researching on sites that will allow me to do a lot more war games, and I found Over the Wire, which is a site that allows you to have different types of capture the flag or war games where you can practice your skills. So now I'm going to start doing the Over the Wire Bandit levels, which is for me, I think it's for beginners like us newbies, and we're able to go through all the levels. I think there's over 60 levels, so I'm going to start making videos of level 0 to 5 and 6 to 10, so that way we can go through it together. Because I feel, yeah, you can go through it with an expert, but then they're experts already. So maybe they'll rush it while they're teaching you. Sometimes you don't feel the connection. But a newbie with another newbie, and we kind of have probably the same questions, we're going to be able to help each other out. And I have researched a lot, and I know how to research the net and kind of see when we're stuck. And I think that is a better collaboration. And for those that are already really good at it, if you have advice for us, please comment in the comment section, because I would love to see other ways to enhance my skills and to enhance yours. I will be putting the link down below of the site that I do the war games, but also for when I upload my video of war games level 0 through 5, I will also have the link below, so that way you can start playing the game with me. You're gonna feel like a hacker. You're gonna feel like you're God. No, you're not gonna be God, but you're gonna feel pretty cool, and you'll see that your skills with Kali Linux will be completely advanced, and it's just gonna be an exciting time together. So thank you for stopping by. Until next login. Bye, cyber newbies.